Nakikita nyo ba yung dumi ng gulong namin? So, ibig sabihin, nagka-camping na naman kami. And we're here sa Antipolo at Athena.
Athena's Sanctuary.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa Athena's Sanctuary. Dito lang to sa Antipolo, sobrang lapit. And magse-celebrate kami ng birthday ni Mama. And magka-camp kami, pero provided ni Athena yung mga tents. So, kwetsa pa yung gamit nila. And lahat yan ng tent na is pa pwede mong i-occupy. Ito yung tent namin. And pagpasok mo, may nakakalat siyang camera. Freebie yan. Meron na rin siyang bed. So, meron na rin siyang pillow. Wala lang tong cover. And then, wala rin lang kumot. And may fan. Sa labas is meron din siyang socket. So, ito. Ang view sa labas. May ilog doon. Magsuswim kayo doon later. O, nadapa pa siya.
Mamimili tayo ng room. Mamimili tayo ng tent. Dito ako. Hi guys, ito yung aking napili na tent. Malapit sa malapit. Ganda guys, ang ganda. Oh. Diba? Matching, may electric fan pa. Ito lang yung tent na naka-electric fan guys.
Yung mga gamit po namin na panluto, nandun po sa taas ng cabinet.
Okay.
Tapos pag magluluto po kayo ma'am, may silin na po kami dyan, di na po kayo magagatong. Bring na rin po gamitin.
Thank you po.
May mga kaldero dito.
Apo, nasa taas po ng cabinet.
Nandito daw.
Tapos yung CR po na nandito po. Tatlo po siya.
Ang gugulo na itong mga pangit na to.
Ito po.
Tapos pagpababa ng ilog, kuya.
Dito po yung dad.
Ah, okay. Punta tayo sa birthday girl. Na-busy siya sa kusina. Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to Misang's vlog.
My mama is really fond of campsite with rivers, so we planned a trip to Athena Sanctuary. Getting there was easy, but once you're near the campground, it can be a bit of a struggle for cars with low ground clearance. There are uneven and muddy paths, especially since we visited during the Habagat season. Athena Sanctuary provided everything you need: tents, beddings, cookwares, and dinnerwares except for plates, blankets, and bed sheets. What made me choose Athena Sanctuary is even though I just saw their sponsored post on the day I made the reservation was the all-in package.
Hi guys, thank you po sa gift ng owner ng Athena Sanctuary. Kasi birthday ko ngayon, kaya ito yung gift nila sa akin. Punta rin po kayo dito. Pag may birthday kayo, pag birthday nyo, meron din kayong ganito, isang buong manok. Thank you sa owner. Bye-bye.
We usually provide our own tents and gears as you see on my videos, but for a group of 17 packs, that's a hassle. Here we got to enjoy tent life with a bonfire and riverside view. All we had to do was bring our personal essentials. Athena Sanctuary check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out is 11 a.m. the next day. As early as 2 p.m. na nga, nag-message na si Kuya sa akin that we can check-in na. The place is quiet and peaceful and I did enjoy the serenity before the sunsets. And yes, hanggang sunset lang muna ako dahil nighttime is bonfire and marshmallow time for them. And it's a big no-no for my lungs. Asthma here. So I stayed at our tent hanggang matapos sila. And while nagba-bonfire sila with their marshmallow, nandun lang ako sa loob ng tent and may napansin lang ako. Unlike other campsites na napuntahan ko, medyo mahina ang tunog ng mga insects dito. Yes, medyo big deal siya sa akin kasi music sa ears ko yung mga birds and insects na naririnig ko sa gabi. It makes me calm, pero here it's very minimal and thinking baka kasi malapit pa rin ako sa metro. The night is quiet, hindi mo mapapansin na may mga residents nearby. The place is well lit and malamig siya. Kaya nakatulog na rin talaga agad ako. Morning came and pag open ko ng tent is may mga strays sa area. Medyo nabawasan ng miss ko sa mga fur babies. Mababait yung mga strays nila dito. No pets allowed ang rules ng campsite and yun yung reason bakit wala ang mga bebe sa vlog na to. It's a foggy morning and perfect maglakad sa river bago kami mag-check out. Athena Sanctuary is an affordable place for an all-in campsite. We were 17 people and it only cost around 382 person. The owner, Sir Art, even let our driver stay for free and she enjoyed it too. He even gave Mama a whole fresh chicken and some freebies as a gift. The caretaker was so nice and attentive, we make sure to share our food to them and to their pet dogs. Even Sir Art, the owner, is not physically available in the area. He makes sure that we are being attended properly through chats. Before we left, we make sure na mapakain ulit ang mga strays and even yung mga alaga ng Athena Sanctuary. Overall, we all enjoyed our stay. Less hassle if you want to experience the camp life even kahit wala kang mga gears. Thank you so much Athena Sanctuary and babalik at babalik kami.
Oh, wish!
Pap, 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 pap. Boom!
Yay!
Thank you!